Good morning. Welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. It is Saturday morning. Today is our final day of week 0, which is a week of cardio, stretching, and today is Saturday, so it's ab burner. So it's business as usual on Saturday. And anyway, like I say, this is the last day of week 0. Next week we'll start week 1 of 2026 cycle 2, and we'll hit the weights again. So it's been good break, good rest, and quite honestly, I felt like staying right in bed this morning, but pulled ourselves out of the bed and came out here to do the old ab burner. So it's a good way to start the morning. I'm actually feeling much better now that I've gotten up and gotten going. I didn't feel bad. I just felt like laying in bed. Anyway, we can lay in bed later, so we can maybe take a nap during the day. But we got some business to do today. Anyway, we'll get this ab burner done, head out on a walk, we'll come back and chat. And this ab burner we're gonna do at 45 seconds, which is a 5-second increase, which we started last week. So last week was the first week of 45 second. Not sure how long I'll do 45 second. What I think is happening is, we did 40 seconds for a few weeks and didn't felt like I was getting work out of it. So we'll get work out of 45 seconds and probably maybe up it to 50 seconds eventually and just try to force my way through it. We'll see. We'll see what happens today. So anyway, let's get to it. Let's hit this ab burner routine. That's meat age with grace, folks. Let's hit it. Well, that wraps up week 0. We are done with week 0. The ab burner, that went actually pretty good. Wouldn't say it wasn't without struggle. There was actually one point I can't remember what I was doing, the upper lift or transitioning to upper lift. Anyway, I kind of lost track. Couldn't tell if my watch went off or not. Anyway, we finished through it. Don't think there was any point at which I felt like I needed to stop. I think if there were any, it would be the 100, the lower lift. Knee circles, I made it through, but those are at the beginning. But they do get the old abs tight. I tell you what, they really hit it hard. So anyway, we'll probably continue hitting 45 seconds, maybe for 2 or 3 more weeks. We'll see where that gets us and maybe up it to 50. So anyway, the walk was good, very still. Perfect weather for at least what I had on. No extra sweat, but my walk was pretty slow. I mean, we're talking 16 minute miles, over 16 minute miles. So it was a very, almost, it didn't feel leisure, but it was what I consider a leisure walk. So anyway, got that done. So like I say, we're done with week 0. We'll be hitting it Monday. Tomorrow I'll just be a walk, won't record it, but the Monday will be our first weight workout in 2026 cycle 2. So we'll be hitting week 1, from week 0 to week 1. So there we go. We'll let you guys go. You guys have a great weekend. Enjoy some refreshing time, and get out there and get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace, folks. We'll see you later. Be safe. Take care.